Alright, so I want to start this video off by saying I hope that I'm wrong in this projection. I don't want this projection to be right at all. Basically, we need to see if we could drop into a recession. And I normally don't like to do doom and gloom and things like that and negative talk and fear mongering. But the things that popped up on my radar, I have no choice but to talk about them and make a technical projection. So I'm going to do this using the US dollar index, which comprises the US dollar with 6 of the 7 other major currencies. Okay, so in true Harmonic Trading Club fashion, we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to plot this market out right here. Now, for the sake of timeliness and to get through this pretty quick, I'm not going to go all the way through the rules of engagement, but I will go ahead and just write them out, but I'm not going to talk too much about them. So basically what we have here starting off, okay, and this is going to be, like I said, it's going to get kind of scary as I work my way through this video, but basically what you see here, okay, in this 50% retracement of this X to A leg, 50% retracement giving us a valid B leg for an advanced bat pattern. And the 886 down here that you see is the completion of the pattern. Now, I'll tell you quickly why this is so significant. I'm going to go ahead and drop it in. Again, I didn't want to go through the entire rules of engagement. If you want to know more about the advanced bat pattern, I do have a class for the bat pattern in the Harmonic Trading Academy playlist. But I did want to just jump out and say that you're more than 50% of the way to D, the D-leg completion. And that's when you would start to project your advanced patterns. You wouldn't project them when they're not close. You want to project them when they're close. Now, the problem with this is we're so close. And if we just come down, you can look at the date. At the bottom, you see 6:30, right? By the time this completes, unless it goes really sideways, but if this drops right down, you're coming right in there to the end of June, beginning of July. And remember, July 2nd is the expiration of the 90 days in which the current presidential administration gave the rest of the countries time to negotiate their tariffs, meaning you got to come to the table with something, or the tariffs that he established on Liberation Day are going to remain, and hold. It's going to cause some significant problems. The other thing that's really not so good about this is if this bat pattern doesn't hold. Remember, we're only talking a DXY. I'm going to talk about its correlation with dollar yen, USD, JPY, because they go hand in hand. They move with each other, okay? But if there's no hold here, then that's going to drop us down. The next level of support is kind of far away, kind of steep, okay? Not only that, that would absolutely take us through the rest of the year and through some of 2026. Now, the good thing about this is that if this bat pattern does hold, okay, and by July 2nd, a lot of things are in place. Countries have come to the table, negotiated their tariffs, they're down to 0, or moved their VAT, value-added taxes, and all of these different barriers, and it satisfies the current administration, you get a run. So that's the good thing about it. Like I said, I hope that I'm wrong on that part, but I do hope that I'm right if we do. By July 2nd, everything is in place, and you get this advanced bat pattern to fill and rally off. That'd be better than we could all imagine, taking the dollar to new heights. Okay, now flipping over to dollar yen. Now this one is a little bit more extreme because it's a basket of them. It's 2 of them. Remember, they move hand in hand. They correlate with each other, and they basically do the same thing. I'm going to move kind of fast. The first thing in that, like I said, a combination, a basket of these things, is the advanced cipher pattern. Trust me, it's valid. I've already ran the rules of engagement several times, and I was going to include them in this video, but didn't really have the time because I wanted this to stay short. So the first thing that you'll see on dollar yen is the advanced cipher pattern. Now, again, the same way like I showed on dollar index DXY, the same thing. Like I said, this could drop down, and when cipher is present, price action usually sucks down and goes and gets ciphered. Don't ask me why. That's just the way the market moves. So that could happen. There's one more, not mind you, cipher is the most powerful pattern in the market with his running mate, the advanced Gartley pattern. So again, I don't have time to run through the rules of engagement. This one is a 222 Gartley pattern. This one is perfect. And the completion of the Gartley pattern that I'm going to draw for you it completes almost, there's almost racial confluence. It completes almost in the same zone, the same price level as the cipher pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the Gartley pattern on here so you can see this. And it's basically going to be the same story, okay? So the Gartley would complete there. So they're basically both completing in the same area. When price action is moving harmonically and wants Gartley or cipher, it goes and gets them. That means that we could run, you could be bearish. We are on the weekly chart for both examples, DXY and dollar yen, looking at price action sucking down pretty far. And now here we go again. Like I said, I don't like to do doom and gloom. I don't like to do fear mongering, but if these levels don't hold, this is the last line of support. This is it. If this violates and does not curve and turn and come back up, okay, there's nothing else to catch it. It's way down here somewhere. And that a drop like that at that point, yeah, you'd be talking about a recession for dollar, yen, and the dollar and the yen combined with the other currencies in that index. That would not be good. So I didn't want to do this video, to be honest with you, but unfortunately I had to. So again, we're gonna hope for the best. This has a lot of power because you got the combination, you got the power of both of the two most powerful patterns in the market, okay? That's the good part. The bad part is they have to walk. If they don't walk, if things are not solved by July 2nd, we're not looking good. But if things are solved by July 2nd, we are off to the races, and it will be thanks to both of those and some pretty good fundamentals that would come through and save the day. So again, I don't like to do doom and gloom. I don't like to do fear mongering, but ladies and gentlemen, this is absolutely what is at play. That's pretty much all I got. I'm going to monitor it and see what happens as we go through the days. I understand that there was a slight pause against the tariffs on the 50% tariff on the European Union, but that might not be enough to reinstill investor confidence, trader confidence, and just overall confidence in the currency market. So I can't say for sure that what is taking place right now, current day, when we come out of Memorial Day, that's going to stop this fall. We can't say that for sure. So I know this is a different type of video coming from me, but if you found it valuable, if you like what I had to say here, a little bit of teaching, we did some bad pattern, we did some Gartley and some cipher, a little bit of harmonics, a little bit of structure analysis. But if you found value in this video, go ahead and click the like button so the algorithm can get to work and send this out there. I think it's an amazing video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn your notifications on so you can be notified when videos come out like this. When you do subscribe to the channel, don't forget to head over to the playlist where we have the Harmonic Trading Academy, where we teach all of these harmonic lessons in great detail for all the major harmonic or advanced patterns. We teach advanced pattern recognition, structure analysis, Fibonacci, advanced Fibonacci, everything that you can think of as it pertains to putting together a profitable system that will allow you to identify the market and have some type of edge as you see that we might have in this current situation. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with anybody that you know that this video could help or that might be interested in this type of information. That being said, I'm out. You guys take care of yourself, be safe in the market, and we'll see you in the next video.